This is a Muck horror special. Builder, can he do it? Muck the Builder, yes he can. Muck is dizzy and only two. Lofty and Wendy, showing the truth. Mom and the gang has so much fun. Working together to get it all done. Yeah, Muck the Builder, can he do it? Muck the Builder, yes he can. Builder and Bird, Travis and Spud, playing together like a friend should. Muck the Builder, can he do it? Muck the Builder, yes he can. Mom and Spud's Hellish adventure. You saw a scarecrow, Eldest? Oh,
well, if you're selling pickles, then what are pickles? Then I would like a big one.
No, I don't want a big pickle. Hey, Shoo! You don't want to know what's inside Mom's cameraman at night. You too! You also want to know what's inside of that. Oh, you want to know? Then prove it then. I know a perfect tale for you. And Travis! Alright, come on, Spud. What are you saying? Well, it's about a tale of my deceased nephew, Gary. You have another nephew? Yeah. Tell me then. Well, it all started in 2005 when my nephew Gary made a statue of her brother, Jeff. Hello, Jeff! Look what I made! Oh, it's a boar! Of course, Jeff! I'll use it right now. You know how to skate like your uncle? Yes, I know how to skate like my uncle, Spud. Hey, stupid crow! Get away! I'm trying to teach Jeff how to stop! Stop laughing, yeah! Sorry, Gary. I remember the time my big brother taught your uncle how to skate, yeah. I know, yeah. I know your big brother Travis helped you. Oh, okay then. I'm gonna be after you. Am I skating? No. Damn it! Am I skating now? Not yet. I'll try. Like this way. Alright. Right. Oh, crap. No, wait! Come back! Now, yeah, the room of a skater, sort of like my uncle. Yeah, prove it then. Okay? I'm ready to set off. Wait, what? Oh, I need a follow here. Oh, I knew it then. Help! Help me! I'm coming, Gary! Get out of the way, rabbit. Oh, right here. I'm coming!
Dad, show him what Woody Juice can do to you. I'm Woodpecker. Woody, I'm kinda scared!
All quiet, nothing to report.
Woody! Dad, get off with him!
I'm so thirsty!
Son, the squirrels are coming. Well, you can have some of this. Good for your health.
Now that my nephew was out of control, he smashed right into a speed bump, and then crash! The impact was so severe that he instantly died, and then came back as a ghost. Oh, wait, I'm alive? I'm glowing. How oh. What?
Oh, no!
What is that? What is it? Let's see. What the hell? Maybe the noise came from the cameraman?
Oh, no!
What the hell are those noises? Amanda! He was... It's like me. Wait, why does he know? Please, don't send me to hell! Oh, I'm trapped. Oh, well, here's a new hand then. What else is this? What the He says, Gary, you're still in hell, even at this day. Not to put the strings of the damned. Oh wait, I forgot. You're still drunk.
My lunch is interrupted by tantrum!
And Bobby's also likely drunk. Can we ever yours? Yes, we can. Yeah, I think so. Let's do something about your haunted campervan, but yes, away your. So what you're saying is that your campervan is a haunted?
You say the truth?
Yeah, I think he is he?
Oh.
Ugh, ain't me. You know what, Klaus? No more sunflowers. You know why? I'm going to be burning them, but also I'm using all of them for some sort of ritual to bring back my nephew Gary from the dead. What we're doing a graveyard. Oh, I've never seen a graveyard before, Klaus. This is exciting. A bit risky at the same time, I think. Alright, what the hell have you done to these poor sunflowers? When I'm using them for something really important. Like what? A ritual. A ritual? Are you using when your nephew back to the dead? Of course, Travis. I am everything you said for really my nephew Gary. Okay. And he made me look lovely. Yes. Spud, what? Look. They're eating the seeds even when they're chopped off. Are you serious? No! Get away! They're already dead! Really? Yeah, they're dead now! Oh, you're gonna use them for something. You're right! As I was saying, yes, I'm going to use it for something really important.
Close the door! Close the door! I think we're safe. Ah! What was that?
What do we do? Like, need to bring No,
What is that?
Desperate for news, yeah.
She's under the door.
No, Ben. It's too risky.
She's trying to get in while she did with that other door. What? Oh, what's she counting for?
Zombies!
Wow!
Oh, Percy, your Percy's my yours. We need to run. How did they escape? I don't know, Travis. I don't know why they have escaped, but I know the perfect source where they came from. They came from right here. Oh, so that's where they came from. Yeah, the cameraman is haunted.
Alright, where's the monster? Well, she's right out there. Oh, I'll go get her. Oh, it's the monster! I'll tackle! Oh no, he's burning his face! He's
Just waiting. Oh, what the hell is that?